In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order DoorDash with EBT. First, let's get you set up with the basics so checkout is smooth. You'll need three things: a valid SNAP EBT card, a DoorDash account you can sign into, and a debit or credit card on file. That backup card is important because delivery fees, tips, and any items that aren't EBT eligible can't be charged to your SNAP balance and will instead be billed to your regular payment method. Now, open the DoorDash app, head to the Account or Me tab, then tap Payment Methods. You'll see an option to add SNAP EBT card. Tap that, carefully enter your EBT card details, and save. DoorDash officially supports SNAP EBT payments for eligible grocery orders, and once your card is added, it will appear as a payment option during checkout when your cart includes eligible items. Next, it's time to find stores that accept EBT within DoorDash. Look for grocery partners marked as supporting EBT or showing SNAP-eligible items. Availability can vary by location and by retailer, so if you don't see EBT indicators right away, try searching for nearby grocery stores or dedicated markets, then check their store page and item listings for EBT eligibility badges. This helps ensure the items you add can actually be covered by your SNAP balance. Go ahead and build your cart. Add the groceries you need, paying attention to the eligibility notes in the item details. Items that are EBT eligible can be covered by your SNAP funds, while non-eligible products, like household goods or prepared hot foods, will be charged to your debit or credit card. Keeping an eye on those labels as you shop helps avoid surprises at checkout. When you're ready, proceed to checkout. Confirm your delivery address and make sure your delivery window works for you. This is also a good time to double-check your cart for any non-EBT items so you know what portion will be billed to your regular card. If you plan to tip your Dasher, remember that tips cannot be paid with EBT and will be added to your debit or credit card charge. Under Payment, select your EBT card for the eligible items in your order. You'll see your backup card listed as well for delivery fees, tips, and any non-eligible items. Review everything one last time, and when it looks right, tap Place Order. That's it. After placing your order, you'll receive a confirmation and can track your delivery in the app. With your EBT card saved, future grocery checkouts on DoorDash will be even faster and just as straightforward.